Okay. Old Margaritaville. First time on this ship. This is when you walk in. I already put my stuff down, so nice cozy area. Nice cozy area. Okay. Nice lamp. You got the USB and USB. Oh, nice ice bucket with the water that costs $4.95. This is a 1 liter. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. And this is the balcony area. Let's see how to open this thing. Oh, you push it. You push it. So we're still at Port Tampa. Port Tampa. Okay. I need to clean these chairs. But this is a nice room. Let's see. All in all, it's a nice room. We got some old cabinet space down here. A good old refrigerator. I don't know what that is in it. Do it work? Okay. They need to clean it out. You got your vanity. Drawers. And then the closet area, the safe. How do you open it? Lock and unlock. I guess you use your key to do that, I'm thinking. Okay, we got a lot of nice space in here for my luggage. Nice space for my luggage. Now let's check out the bathroom. Okay. Nice area. I'm used to the doors, but nice area. You can kind of tell it was an old ship that they redid, but all in all, it's nice. Yeah. And then you got your European and American outlet, which is good. So, okay.